अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू माय चैनल लर्निंग विद ट्रिक। आज की वीडियो में आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रही हूँ NMDCAT के चैप्टर ट्रांसपोर्ट के पास्ट पेपर MCQs अलोंग विद द टॉपिक वाइज MCQs। ये चैप्टर NMDCAT का एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर है और इसके MCQs भी इसके अकॉर्डिंगली बहुत ज़्यादा है क्योंकि इसमें सिलेबस भी बहुत ज़्यादा कवर होता है। तो आप लोग ये वीडियो एंड तक देखिएगा एंड आई होप कि आप वीडियो आप लोग के लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल होगी। इसको काइंडली शेयर भी कीजिए अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ और जैसे जैसे मैं क्वेश्चंस बोल रही हूँ आप लोग उसके आंसर्स कोशिश करें खुद दें, वीडियो को पॉज करें और फिर दोबारा कंटिन्यू करें अगर आपको आंसर्स नहीं आते। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। पहला क्वेश्चन है हमारा ब्लड सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम ब्लड में से। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, ऑल आर प्लाज्मा प्रोटीन एक्सेप्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का आंसर हमारे पास है डेल्टा मायोग्लोबिन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, आइडेंटिफाई द एंटीकोएगुलेंट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का आंसर हमारे पास है डेल्टा हेपेरिन। Question number 3. If blood cells are removed from the blood, then the liquid left is called dash. Question number 3 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, which is plasma. Question number 4. The erythrocytes are meant for. Question number 4 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta, which is all A, B and C. Question number 5. In the fetus, RBCs are produced in. Question number 5 का आंसर हमारे पास है alpha, which is liver. Question number 6. Which plasma protein mainly maintains colloidal osmotic pressure of the blood? Question number 6 का आंसर हमारे पास है alpha, albumin. Question number 7. Average lifespan of red blood cells is about. Question number 7 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta, which is 4 months. Mark this question as important. Question number 8. Which salt is most abundant in blood plasma? Question number 8 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, NaCl. Question number 9. Which RBCs spend initial hours in blood and remaining whole life in tissues? Question number 9 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta, monocytes. Question number 10. Antibodies are produced by. Question number 10 का आंसर हमारे पास है alpha, which is plasma colony cells. Question number 11. Circulatory system consists of. Question number 11 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta, which is cardiovascular and lymphatic systems. Question number 12. The major organic constituent of plasma is. Question number 12 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, which is proteins. Question number 13. If we remove the clotting proteins from plasma, the remaining fluid is called dash. Question number 13 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, which is serum. Question number 14. The protein which acts as catalyst in blood clotting process. Question number 14 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta, which is prothrombin. Question number 15. The main reservoir of pro-inflammatory substance is. Question number 15 का आंसर हमारे पास है beta, basophils. Question number 16. Which protein is not related to liver? Question number 16 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta, which is immunoglobulins. Question number 17. The second most abundant cells among WBCs in blood are. Question number 17 का आंसर हमारे पास है beta, which is lymphocytes. Question number 18. Which of the following plasma protein act as antiviral agent? Question number 18 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta, which is interferon. Question number 19. In humans, blood circulatory system during embryonic development arises from. Question number 19 का आंसर हमारे पास है beta, which is mesoderm. Question number 20. Which of the following cell is anucleated when it becomes mature in humans? Question number 20 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta, which is RBCs यानी red blood cells. Question number 21. All of the following are the functions of blood except. Question number 21 का आंसर हमारे पास है alpha, which is leukemia. Question number 22. Liver breaks hemoglobin into a toxic waste called. Question number 22 का आंसर हमारे पास है alpha, which is bilirubin. Question number 23. Blood leaving lungs after pulmonary circulation is rich in. Question number 23 का आंसर हमारे पास है alpha, which is oxygen. Question number 24. Which is phagocyte of blood? Question number 24 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta, which is neutrophil. Question number 25. All of the following are related to blood clotting except. Question number 25 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta, which is immunoglobulin. Question number 26. The group of proteins that comprises 7% of the plasma are. Question number 26 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, which is albumin, globulin and fibrinogen. Next question हमारा human heart and structure में से है. Question number 27. Chordae tendineae are extension of. Question number 27 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, which is ventricles. ये क्वेश्चन हमारा बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये बहुत दफ़ा रिपीट हो चुका है NMDCAT में, so प्लीज़ इसको अच्छे से करें. Question number 28. Which one has the thickest walls than the others? Question number 28 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta, left ventricle. Question number 29. The nature of walls in the heart is. Question number 29 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, which is muscular. Question number 30. Oxygenated blood is supplied to all body parts from. Question number 30. Answer हमारे पास है delta left ventricle. Question number 31. Mitral valve prevents the flow of blood from. Question number 31 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta, which is left ventricles to left atrium. Question number 32. First artery that arises from the base of aorta. Question number 32 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, which is coronary artery. Question number 33. Terminal branches of arterial pathway in human is are. Question number 33 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta, which is iliac arteries. Question number 34. Only vein that is distributary in nature. Question number 34 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta, which is hepatic water vein. Question number 35. At start of ventricular contraction. इसमें से आपने बताना है कि ventricular contraction के start में क्या होता है. Question number 35 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta, which is bi and tricuspid valves closed and seminal valves are opened. Question number 36. Ventricular depolarization is represented by. Question number 36 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, which is QRS complex. Question number 37. There is a delay of dash between atrial systole and ventricular systole. Question number 37 का आंसर हमारे पास है beta, which is 0.15 seconds. Question number 38. The most appropriate statement for atrial systole is. Question number 38 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, AV valves open and seminal valves closed. Question number 39. At the end of ventricular contraction. Question number 39 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta, both AV and seminal valves are closed. Question number 40. Dub sound is produced when. Question number 40 का आंसर हमारे पास है beta, which is AV valves closed. Question number 41. Heart cycle is naturally initiated by. Question number 41 का आंसर हमारे पास है alpha, which is SA node. Question number 42. Atrial depolarization is represented by. Question number 42 का आंसर हमारे पास है alpha P wave. Question number 43. All events of cardiac cycle are completed in. Question number 43 का आंसर हमारे पास है alpha 0.8 seconds. Question number 44. Which of the following statement best describes the function of sinoatrial node? Question number 44 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta, which is it sends out electrical impulses to atrial muscles causing both atria to contract. Question number 45. The portion of heart which is always ready to be the pacemaker if SA node stop working. Question number 45 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, which is AV node. Question number 46. Which valve allows blood to pass from heart to pulmonary artery? Question number 46 का आंसर हमारे पास है alpha, which is right semilunar valve. Question number 47. Myocardium of heart shows dash characters. Question number 47 का आंसर हमारे पास है beta, which is striatic and involuntary. Question number 48. Ventricular systole requires about. Question number 48 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta, which is 0.3 seconds. Question number 49. The waves of ECG shows meaning. Question number 49 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, which is electrical events. Question number 50. The second heart sound is produced by. Question number 50 का आंसर हमारे पास है alpha, which is closure of AV valves. Question number 51. In humans, only dash systematic arc is present. Question number 51 का आंसर हमारे पास है alpha, which is left. Question number 52. The heart muscle is nourished by. Question number 52 का आंसर हमारे पास है beta, which is coronary artery. Question number 53. Which one is continuation of iliac artery? Question number 53 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, which is femoral artery. Next question है हमारा blood vessels में से. Question number 54. Which vein has oxygenated blood? Question number 54 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, which is pulmonary vein. Question number 55. In man, blood from alimentary canal to liver is transported by. Question number 55 का आंसर हमारे पास है alpha, hepatic water vein. Question number 56. Arteriosclerosis is. Question number 56 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta, which is a genetic disorder. Next question है हमारा blood pressure and rate of blood flow में से. Question number 57. The least blood pressure can be observed in. Question number 57 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, which is capillaries. Question number 58. Dash have maximum cross-sectional area compared to others. Question number 58 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, which is capillaries. Next question है हमारा lymphatic system में से. Question number 59. All are functions of lymphatic system except. Question number 59 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta, which is filtration of urea. Question number 60. Lymph is not present in. Question number 60 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta, which is left subclavian vein. Question number 61. Which one is more closely related to lymph? Question number 61 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, interstitial fluid. Question number 62, lymph nodes are drained by. Question number 62 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, which is single afferent vessel. Question number 63, largest lymphoid mass is. Question number 63 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, which is spleen. Question number 64, lymph flows in the lymph vessels due to. Question number 64 का आंसर हमारे पास है beta, which is pressure of walls, presence of wall. Question number 65, flow of lymph is maintained by. Question number 65 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta, which is all A, B, C. Question number 66, just as blood is filtered by spleen, the lymph is filtered by. Question number 66 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, which is lymph nodes. Question number 67, lymph just before entering into subclavian vein always passes through. Question number 67 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta, which is thoracic lymphatic duct. Question number 68, return of lymph from lower leg is assisted by. Question number 68 का आंसर हमारे पास है beta, which is calf muscles. Question number 69, after taking too much fat, the lymph consists of how many fat lobules? Question number 69 का आंसर हमारे पास है alpha, 10%. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा अपटेक एंड ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑफ मिनरल वाटर में से. क्वेश्चन नंबर 70, एक्टिव ट्रांसपोर्ट इज सेलेक्टिव एंड इज डिपेंडेंट अपॉन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 70 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, which is respiration. Question number 71, the site where most of the uptake of water and minerals take place is R. Question number 71 का आंसर हमारे पास है alpha, which is root hairs. Question number 72, the roots bear a dense cluster of tiny hair-like structures which are extension cells. Question number 72 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, which is epidermal cells. Question number 73, apoplast pathway can take water and minerals up to. Question number 73 का आंसर हमारे पास है beta, which is endodermis. Question number 74, the membrane of vacuoles is known as. Question number 74 का आंसर हमारे पास Charlie है chloroplasst. ये बहुत important MCQ, इसको भी important mark करें. Question number 75, transport of minerals from soil to epidermal cells of fruits via carrier protein molecules along their concentration gradient is called. Question number 75 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, to facilitated diffusion. Next question है हमारा uptake of water by roots में से. Question number 76, the pathway adopted by water in plants through adjacent cell walls is. Question number 76 का आंसर हमारे पास है alpha, which is apoplast pathway. Question number 77, in plants the neighboring cells are connected with one another by. Question number 77 का आंसर हमारे पास है alpha, plasmidesmata. Question number 78, in the root cell, dash pathway becomes discontinuous in ventrodermis due to the presence of casparian states. Question number 78 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, which is apoplast. Next question है हमारे ascent of sap में से. Question number 79, pulling upward of water and dissolved minerals towards the leaves through the xylem tissue is called. Question number 79 का आंसर हमारे पास है beta, which is ascent of sap. Question number 80, it is the interaction among water molecules which holds water together forming a solid chain-like column with the xylem tubes. Question number 80 का आंसर हमारे पास है alpha, cohesion. Question number 81, the tendency of dissimilar particles or surfaces to cling to one another is called. Question number 81 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta, which is adhesion. नेक्स्ट MCQ है हमारे osmotic pressure में से. Question number 82, the water potential of pure water is. ये बहुत important MCQ है. Question number 82 का आंसर हमारे पास है alpha, which is 0. Question number 83, to attain maximum turgidity of a cell it must be placed in. Question number 83 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, which is distilled water. Question number 84, in a dashed solution, solute and pressure potential is equal to water potential. क्वेश्चन नंबर 84 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, आइसोटोनिक. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारे ट्रांसलोकेशन ऑफ इनऑर्गेनिक सॉल्यूट्स में से. क्वेश्चन नंबर 85, the cells of joint that conduct or transport sugars and other organic materials throughout plant are called. क्वेश्चन नंबर 85 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, C element. क्वेश्चन नंबर 86, the main component of honey drink dry matter flowing sap is. क्वेश्चन नंबर 86 का आंसर हमारे पास है डेल्टा, सुक्रोज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 87, सुक्रोज moves active meat from source to dash. क्वेश्चन नंबर 87 का आंसर हमारे पास है बीटा, which is companion cells. क्वेश्चन नंबर 88, Transport of sugar from visible cells to fluid tissue occurred by all except. क्वेश्चन नंबर 88 का आंसर हमारे पास है डेल्टा, which is osmosis. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारे ट्रांसपायरेशन एंड फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग इक्वेशन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 89, particular transpiration is dash of total transpiration. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यू है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 89 का आंसर हमारे पास है चार्ली, which is 5 to 7%. क्वेश्चन नंबर 90, all plants do not possess. क्वेश्चन नंबर 90 का आंसर हमारे पास है अल्फा, which is lenticel. Question number 91. Aerating opening is formed in the bark through the exchange of gases takes place and water is lost in the form of vapor star. Question number 91 का आंसर हमारे पास है अल्फा, which is hydrophores. Question number 92. Increase in the following causes increase in rate of transpiration except. Question number 92 का आंसर हमारे पास है बीटा, which is humidity. Question number 93. Dash provides the necessary energy or force for descent of sap according to coherent tensor theory. Question number 93 का आंसर हमारे पास है बीटा, transpiration. Question number 94. Out of total water pulled upward, how much is used in various plant activities? Question number 94 का आंसर हमारे पास है अल्फा, which is 1%. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारे इम्यून सिस्टम से. क्वेश्चन नंबर 95. Common feature of human neural response and cell mediated response are. Question number 95 का आंसर हमारे पास है अल्फा, recognition of antigen. Question number 96. Tissue rejection is a function of which type of response? Question number 96 का आंसर हमारे पास है अल्फा, which is cell mediated. Question number 97. Vaccination against specific disease like tetanus is an example of. Question number 97 का आंसर हमारे पास है अल्फा, which is artificial immunity. Question number 98. Antibodies are injected in. Question number 98 का आंसर हमारे पास है बीटा, which is artificial passive immunity. Question number 99. Antibodies consist of. Question number 99 का आंसर हमारे पास है बीटा, which is too heavy and too light chain. Question number 100. Antibodies are an example of dash protein. Okay, so 100 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, which is globular. 101. Antigen binding sites are present on. Question number 101 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, which is variable region of both heavy and light chains. 102. Any foreign body that may activate immune system. Question number 102 का आंसर हमारे पास है अल्फा, which is antigen. Question number 103. Immunity is the capacity of body for all except. इसका आंसर हमारे पास है डेल्टा, which is mobilize hemoglobin. Question number 104. Immunity is generally destroyed in. Question number 104 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, which is HIV infection. Question number 105. Specific immunity is the result of. Question number 105 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, which is third line of defense. ओके, सो जो लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस है इनको भी आप लोग अच्छे से करें, ये भी इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 106. फेगोसाइटोसिस यूजुअली इन्वॉल्व्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 106 का आंसर हमारे पास है बीटा, which is second line of defense. Question number 107. All are examples of first line of defense except. Question number 107 का आंसर हमारे पास है डेल्टा, which is antibodies. Question number 108. Cyclosporine is used to inhibit which type of response? 108 का आंसर हमारे पास है अल्फा, which is cell mediated. Question number 109. Type of immunity that is present by birth is called. Question number 109 का आंसर हमारे पास है अल्फा, innate immunity. Question number 110. Generally, vaccination provides. इसका आंसर हमारे पास है अल्फा, artificial active immunity. Question number 111. All are true about passive immunization except. इसका आंसर हमारे पास है डेल्टा, which is antibodies are produced. Question number 112. Antibodies consist of. इसका आंसर हमारे पास है डेल्टा, 4 chains. Question number 113. Disulfide bridge is present between all except. इसका आंसर हमारे पास है डेल्टा, which is light and light chain. Question number 114. Vaccination is not available for which of the following disease. इसका आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, fungal. Question number 113 and 114 दोनों बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसको अच्छे से करें. Question number 115. Stronger and specific immunity is found in. इसका आंसर हमारे पास है डेल्टा, which is all vertebrates. Question number 116. An antigen is. 116 का आंसर हमारे पास है बीटा, stimulus for antibody formation. Question number 117. A vaccine contains. इसका आंसर हमारे पास है alpha, which is antigens. Question number 118. Normal immune response is generated by. इसका आंसर हमारे पास है अल्फा, which is B lymphocytes. 119. B lymphocytes originate in human from. Question number 119 का आंसर हमारे पास है बीटा, which is bone marrow. Question number 120. Transplant rejection is 120 का आंसर हमारे पास है अल्फा, which is cell mediated response. Question number 121. Injection of anti-venom serum after snake bite is an example of. इसका आंसर हमारे पास है डेल्टा, which is passive artificial immunization. Question number 122. Phagocytes generally come into action 1. Question number 122 का आंसर हमारे पास है अल्फा, first defense line is breached. Question number 123. Study of mechanisms of body defense is called. Question number 123 का आंसर हमारे पास है अल्फा, which is immunology. Question number 124. Which one is not involved in immunity? Question number 124 का आंसर हमारे पास है डेल्टा, which is myoglobin. Question number 125. Immune system is an example of. Question number 125 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, which is third line of defense. Question number 126. Antibodies are involved in. Question number 126 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, which is third line of defense. Question number 127. All the components of immune system except. Question number 127 का आंसर हमारे पास है डेल्टा, monocytes. ये वाले MCQs हमारे preparatory MCQs थे, यानी कि टॉपिक वाइज MCQs. अभी आप लोगों को लेकर चलती है पास्ट पेपर MCQs की तरफ. उनको आप लोग बहुत अच्छे से करें बिकॉज दिस चैप्टर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. पास्ट पेपर MCQs में से हमारा फर्स्ट MCQ है ईयर 2009 में से. Which of the following statement best describes the function of sinoatrial node? Question number 1 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta. It sends out electrical impulses to atrial muscles causing both atria to contract. Question number 2. Arteriosclerosis is. Question number 2 का आंसर हमारे पास है beta, a degenerative disorder. Question number 3. Heparin prevents blood clots and is released by. Question number 3 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta, which is basophil. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारा 2010 ईयर में से. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स बेस्ट डिस्क्राइब्स द फंक्शन ऑफ साइनोएट्रियल नोड? इसका आंसर हमारे पास है अल्फा, व्हिच इज इट सेंड्स आउट इलेक्ट्रिकल इंपल्सेस टू एट्रियल मसल्स causing both atria to contract. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Granulocytes or white blood cells are produced in. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 का आंसर हमारे पास है बीटा, व्हिच इज रेड bone marrow. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. The flow of lymph in lymphatic vessels is maintained by. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 का आंसर हमारे पास है चार्ली, breathing movements activity of skeletal muscles and nerves. 2011 की MCQs है. Question number 7. The right atrium of the heart usually receives the. इसका आंसर हमारे पास है अल्फा, deoxygenated blood. Question number 8. The type of granulocytes which stays in blood for a few hours and then enters tissues and become macrophages are. इसका आंसर हमारे पास है beta, which is monocytes. Question number 9. Which protein plays a major role in maintaining osmotic balance? Question number 9 का आंसर हमारे पास है अल्फा, albumin. Question number 10. The largest lymph duct called thoracic lymph duct drains into. Question number 10 का आंसर हमारे पास है alpha, subclavian vein. Question number 22. Which vein has oxygenated blood? Question number 11 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, which is pulmonary vein. Question number 12. Mature mammalian red blood cells do not have. Question number 12 का आंसर हमारे पास है alpha, nucleus. Question number 13. In a normal person, plasma constitutes about dash by volume of blood. Question number 13 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta, 55%. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारे पास है ईयर 2013 में से. Question number 14. Right atrium is separated from right ventricle by. Question number 14 का आंसर हमारे पास है alpha, tricuspid valve. Question number 15. The average lifespan of red blood cell is about. Question number 15 का आंसर हमारे पास है alpha, 4 months. Question number 16. Antibodies are produced against invading cells by. Question number 16 का आंसर हमारे पास है alpha, lymphocytes. Question number 17. The lymphatic vessels of the body empty the lymph into bloodstream and the. Question number 17 का आंसर हमारे पास है beta, subclavian vein. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारे 2014 ईयर में से. Question number 18. The oxygenated blood from lungs to heart is transported by the. Question number 18 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, which is pulmonary vein. Histamine is produced by which of the following cells? Question number 19 का आंसर हमारे पास है alpha, basophils. Which of the following is the most numerous, commonest of white blood cells? Question number 20 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, which is neutrophils. Which one of the following proteins take part in blood clotting? Question number 21 का आंसर हमारे पास है beta, which is fibrinogen. Next question है हमारे 2015 ईयर में से. Question number 22. Right atrium is separated from right ventricle by. Question number 22 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, tricuspid valves. Next question. One complete heartbeat consists of one systole and one diastole and lasts for about. Question number 23 का आंसर हमारे पास है alpha, 0.8 seconds. Question number 24. The flaps of tricuspid valves is attached to muscular extensions of right ventricle known as. Question number 24. का आंसर हमारे पास है बीटा, which is papillary muscles. Question number 25. The heartbeat cycle starts when electric impulses are generated from. Question number 25 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, which is SA node. Question number 26. The neurocytes are. Question number 26 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, which is neutrophils, eosinophils and basophils. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारे हैं 2016 में से. क्वेश्चन नंबर 27. इन ह्यूमन द क्लोज्ड सैक which surrounds the heart is. इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, which is pericardium. क्वेश्चन नंबर 28. Body tendinae are the femur spores attached with. क्वेश्चन नंबर 28 का आंसर हमारे पास है बीटा, which is tricuspid valve of heart. Question number 29. Bicuspid valve controls the flow of blood from. Question number 29 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta, left atrium to left ventricle. 2017. Question number 30. In ECG, QRS wave represent. इसका आंसर हमारे पास है alpha, ventricular systole. Question number 31. A type of blood cell that produces heparin is. 31 का आंसर हमारे पास है alpha, basophils. Thoracic vein duct of the lymphatic system opens into. Question number 32 का आंसर हमारे पास है beta, which is the flavian vein. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारे 2017 रीटेक टेस्ट में से. क्वेश्चन नंबर 33. Bicuspid valve is present in which part of heart? क्वेश्चन नंबर 33 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, which is left atrium and left ventricle. क्वेश्चन नंबर 34. Cardiac cycle lasts about. 34 का आंसर हमारे पास है beta, 0.8 सेकेंड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 35. Which of the following is a granulocyte cell? क्वेश्चन नंबर 35 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta, which is lymphocyte. क्वेश्चन नंबर 36. Percentage of protein in human blood is. क्वेश्चन नंबर 36 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, which is 7 to 9. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारे 2018 ईयर में से. क्वेश्चन नंबर 37. The thickest chamber of human heart is. 37 का आंसर हमारे पास है beta, which is left ventricle. क्वेश्चन नंबर 38. Which one of the following act as pacemaker in heart? ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 38 का आंसर हमारे पास Charlie है, sinoatrial node. क्वेश्चन नंबर 39. Which statement is correct about atrial systole? क्वेश्चन नंबर 39 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta, bundle of his. Question number 39. Which statement is correct about atrial systole? Question number 39 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta, which is ventricles remain relaxed while atria contract. Question number 40. Which one of the following cells do not have nucleus? Question number 40 का आंसर हमारे पास है beta, which is platelet. Question number 41, which is from year 2019. Which of the following blood vessels contain 7 inner valves? ये भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 41 का आंसर हमारे पास है beta, which is veins. Question number 42. The major function of basophils is to. Question number 42 का आंसर हमारे पास beta है, release heparin to prevent blood clotting. Question number 43. Large lymph vessels ultimately form larger lymph duct, which drains its lymph into. Question number 43 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, which is the flavian vein. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारे ईयर 2020 में से. क्वेश्चन नंबर 44. Regarding structure of human heart, body components are present in. क्वेश्चन नंबर 44 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta, which is ventricle. क्वेश्चन नंबर 45. The only vein in the human body carrying oxygenated blood is. क्वेश्चन नंबर 45 का आंसर हमारे पास है beta, which is pulmonary. Question number 46. The cells which play a very important role in developing immunity are. Question number 46 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, which is lymphocytes. Question number 47. Which of the following blood vessels have the highest pressure of blood? Question number 47 का आंसर हमारे पास है alpha, aorta. Question number 48. Autoimmune diseases act as the principle of. 48 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, which is self-immune cells. Question number 49. In human heart, the left atrium receives. Question number 49 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta, which is the 4 pulmonary veins. Question number 50. Antibodies are manufactured in. Question number 50 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta, B lymphocytes. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारे पास ट्रांसपोर्ट इन प्लांट्स पोर्शन में से. क्वेश्चन नंबर 51. The attraction among moving molecules which hold water together is called. क्वेश्चन नंबर 51 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, cohesion. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास 2019 में से. क्वेश्चन नंबर 52. Water and minerals move down the concentration gradient through plasmidesmata to cells of cortex and endodermis, pericycle and then to start from the xylem cells. This is also known as the. क्वेश्चन नंबर 52 का आंसर हमारे पास है alpha, symplastic pathway. Question number 53. 4 plants are present in different environmental conditions. Plant A is present in warm climate with continuous rainfall. Plant B is present in a cool forest. Plant C is present in warm climate with little breeze, while plant D is present in warm climate with high wind speed. Which one of the following plants will have highest rate of transpiration? Question number 53, cancer microsite beta, which is plant B. Question number 54, in plants, which sugar is transported from source to sink through sieve tubes? Question number 54, cancer microsite beta, which is sucrose. Question number 55, xerophytes have small thick leaves too. Question number 55, cancer microsite Charlie, limit water loss by reducing surface area. Question number 56. In roots, the epiplastic pathway of water is disrupted when water leaches. Question number 56 का आंसर हमारे पास है बीटा, which is endodermis. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारे इम्यूनिटी के पोर्शन में से ईयर 2009 क्वेश्चन नंबर 57 टिश्यू रिजेक्शन इज एग्जीक्यूटेड बाय क्वेश्चन नंबर 57 का आंसर हमारे पास है डेल्टा which is T lymphocytes 2011 question number 58 thymus gland is involved in maturation of question number 58 का आंसर हमारे पास है डेल्टा which is T lymphocytes इसको आप लोग ऐसे याद कर सकते हैं जैसे thymus gland T से स्टार्ट हो रहा है वो जो है maturation of T lymphocytes में इन्वॉल्व होते हैं जो कि वो भी T से स्टार्ट हो रहा है सो ये एक तरीका आप लोग याद रख सकते हैं question number 59 mucous membranes are part of body defense system and they offer Question number 59 का आंसर हमारे पास है alpha physical barriers. Question number 60 the immunity in which T cells recognize the antigens or microorganisms is called as. Question number 60 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie which is cell mediated immunity response. Question number 61 in passive immunity which of the following components are injected into blood. Question number 61 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta which is immunoglobulins. Question number 62 immediate protection is obtained from Question number 62 का आंसर हमारे पास है alpha which is passive immunity. Question number 63 antigen is a foreign protein or any other molecule which stimulates the formation of Question number 63 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta which is antibodies. Question number 64 antibodies are produced by which of the following lymphocytes? Question number 64 का आंसर हमारे पास है alpha which is B lymphocytes. Question number 65 T lymphocytes become mature and competent under the influence of Question number 65 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, which is thymus gland. Question number 66 skin and mucous membranes are part of the body defense system and they form the Question number 66 का आंसर हमारे पास है alpha physical barrier. Question number 67 snake bite is treated with the help of immunization. 67 का आंसर हमारे पास है beta, which is passive. Next question 2013 में से question number 68 which part of the antibody recognizes the antigen during immune response? Question number 68 का आंसर हमारे पास है बीटा which is variable part. Question number 69 two identical light chains and two identical heavy chains in antibody molecule are linked by Question number 69 का आंसर हमारे पास है A which is disulfide bridges. Question number 70 in the structural diagram of an antibody molecule which portion is occupied by variable chains? Question number 70 का आंसर हमारे पास है बीटा which is upper region. Question number 71 In passive immunity, which of the following components are injected in the body? Question number 71 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta, which is immunoglobulin. Next है हमारे पास question number 72. Which part of antibody recognizes the antigen during immune response? Question number 72 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta, which is variable part. Question number 73. Which of the following glands is involved in the production of lymphocytes? Question number 73 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, which is thymus. Question number 74. Antibodies are proteins and made up of how many polypeptide chains? Question number 74 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta, which is 4. Question number 75. T lymphocytes recognize antigen and attack microorganisms or transplanted organs and tissues. This effect is called. Question number 75 का आंसर हमारे पास है beta, which is humoral immune response. Question number 76. What type of immunity is achieved by injecting antibodies, anti-serum, anti-venom serum? Question number 76 का आंसर हमारे पास है बीटा which is passive immunity. Next question है हमारा 2015 ईयर में से question number 77 B lymphocytes are named due to their relationship with question number 77 का आंसर हमारे पास है बीटा which is bursa of Fabricius. Question number 78 the lymph vessels of villi is called question number 78 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta which is lacteal. Next question है हमारा question number 79 In dash response, B cells produce plasma cells that synthesize antibodies and release in blood plasma and tissue fluid. Question number 79 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie, which is humoral. Question number 80. response of body against the transplanted organ is question number 80 का आंसर हमारे पास है डेल्टा which is cell mediated response. Question number 81 passive immunity is used against. Question number 81 का आंसर हमारे पास है डेल्टा which is tetanus. 2016 question number 82 in antibody molecule two heavy and two light chains are bonded by. Question number 82 का आंसर हमारे पास है alpha disulfide bond. Question number 83 variable amino acid sequences in antibody molecule are found in. Question number 83 का आंसर हमारे पास है डेल्टा which is both heavy and light chain. Question number 84 B cells release antibodies in blood plasma, tissue fluids and lymph. This kind of immune response is called. Question number 84 का आंसर हमारे पास है बीटा which is humoral response. Question number 85 the type of immunity in which antibodies are passed from one individual to another is called. Question number 85 का आंसर हमारे पास है alpha which is passive immunity. Question number 86 to combat the active infections of tetanus, rabies and snakes, the dash method of immunization is used. Question number 86 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta which is passive. Question number 87 which is from year 2017. How many polypeptide chains are present in typical antibody structure? Question number 87 का आंसर हमारे पास है delta which is 4. Question number 88 the antibody molecule consists of dash polypeptide chains. 88 का आंसर हमारे पास है बीटा which is 4. Question number 89 dash cells survive for a few days and secrete a huge number of antibodies in blood, tissue fluids or lymph. Question number 89 का आंसर हमारे पास है डेल्टा which is plasma cells. Question number 90 the intermediate protection from infection of snake bite can be obtained by. Question number 90 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie which is passive immunity. Question number 91 vaccination is. Question number 91 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie which is artificial active immunity. 2018 के question number 92 in immunoglobulins / antibodies two light chains and two heavy chains are linked to each other by. Question number 92 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie which is disulfide bonds. Question number 93 cell mediated immune response is given by. Question number 93 का आंसर हमारे पास है beta which is T lymphocytes. Question number 94 antivenom given after snake bite venom is an example of. Question number 94 का आंसर हमारे पास है Charlie which is artificial passive immunity. 2019 के MCQs है हमारे पास. Question number 95 nowadays every newborn gets regular shots of vaccine for polio. It contains dash for polio to make a child immune against the disease. Question number 95 का आंसर हमारे पास है डेल्टा which is antigens. Question number 96 a person got an infection. He became ill but then he survived. What do you think which type of immunity he would have developed? Question number 96 का आंसर हमारे पास है alpha naturally induced active immunity. So guys these were the MCQs from the chapter transport. I hope कि ये वीडियो आप लोगों की हेल्प करेगी NMDCAT की प्रिपरेशन में. आप लोग खुद भी इससे इतना बेनिफिट हासिल कर सकते हैं करें और इसके साथ अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें ताकि वीडियो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा उन लोगों तक पहुंच सके जो कि अफोर्ड नहीं कर पाते हैं प्रैक्टिस बुक्स या फिर इसके साथ अकेडमीज अफोर्ड नहीं कर पाते हैं उनकी ईजिली ये हो जाए. और आप लोग मुझे ये भी बताएं कि आप लोगों को इसके साथ और कौन कौन सी चीज़ें चाहिए ताकि मैं उन पर वीडियो बनाऊँ. थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफिज़.